Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late.
Okay guys, so I already cleansed my face in the shower, but I use this Olay Regenerist Anti-Aging Cream Cleanser, which exfoliates and speeds surface of regeneration, which I really, really love. So then I'm going in with these facial resurfacing peel pads with acid and vitamin C. These are so amazing. It makes my skin feel so good. Exfoliates skin, improves texture, revealing a brighter complexion. Antioxidant that stimulates collagen's overall brightness. Then I'm going to go in with my Pure Balance Hydrating Facial Toner. I really, really love this toner. It smells like rose hips and it smells so amazing. It feels good. It doesn't burn. I don't like the toners that burn my skin, and I ain't feeling that. So I'm just using a cotton swab. I'm going with my under eye pads with green tea with natural caffeine and antioxidants to energize and nourish skin. So this helps reduce puffiness and dark under eye circles, and it hydrates and renews delicate skin. Really love these, especially if you put them in the fridge. It is amazing, nice and cool. And I just put them under there because it makes my under eyes feel so amazing. So this is really good for people who have puffiness and all that good stuff. So while that's there, I am then going to apply my Olay Mask Glow Boost White Charcoal. This mask smells amazing and it makes my skin look amazing. And I leave it on for 10 minutes. So this stuff is amazing, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not. And then I'm going in with this LA Color Lip Scrub, which I got at the dollar store. And it really does work. It makes my lips really, really soft. So I just apply and then I just rub it in with my fingers. And you can start feeling like the dead skin come off of your lips. So it's amazing. I love the way it feels. It makes my lips really soft. Then I'm just grabbing this little towel that I have and just rinse. I have a little bowl with water next to me. And I'm just putting it and cleaning my lips. Now I'm just removing everything off my face, the mask, removing the lip scrub, all that good stuff. As you guys know, you guys can make your own lip scrub at home with olive oil, sugar, brown sugar, and just make your own if you want. Natural things is better than anything else. And then I'm going in with another mask. I like to do this too because two masks sometimes with my skin. I feel like my skin really, really needs it. This one's the Pure Radiant Aloe Vera Facial Mask Sheets, which is pure aloe extract, heals and calms skin with vitamin E and collagen. So I feel like since I did the other one, this one will feel good, make my skin nice and fresh, and I love it so, so, so much. I leave it on for like 10 minutes as well, and then I just start using my J roller and really massage it into my skin. I really love how this feels. This feels so amazing. So this is good too. I do this like on a pamper routine night or when I really need like a facial and stuff like this. But this, I basically do it. The mask I do more when I really need, my skin really needs it. So yeah, guys, and then this is amazing. Like when it comes off, it is so satisfying. When it just comes off, it feels so nice. And then blend everything that you have left in your skin. Blend it in your skin. Do not wipe it off or anything like that. Just let it dry and absorb into your skin. It feels so good. Then I'm just going to take my J roller and I'm just going to continue massaging it, you know, doing blood flow into the skin. It helps with wrinkles and anti-aging and all that good stuff. So then here I'm going to go in with my vitamin C serum. I love this serum. It is amazing. It smells like oranges. It really, really helped my skin. It makes it really nice. I need to go buy some more because it's kind of running out. I got it at TJ Maxx. So I need to get some more here. I apply it on my skin. Be gentle with it. Do not rub or tug at your skin. Oh, this is only one skin that you have. Then I'm going in with my Moisturized Face Serum with hyaluronic acid. It hydrates and moisturizes your skin. This stuff is amazing. As you can see, it was basically running out of it, so I need to go get more. I went to go pick up more, but there was none more in Ross, so I gotta go check again. And this stuff just makes my skin feel so nice. Then I'm just going to massage a little bit my skin, put some blood flow into my skin and circulate. And then I'm gonna go in with my Advanced Clinicals Collagen Skin Rescue Lotion, soothing lotion for post-treatment, hydrates, lifts, and firm, and promotes an even looking skin tone, which this stuff is amazing, guys. This stuff is so amazing. It makes my skin look nice. My skin does look firm. My skin just looks overall nice. My skin looks more bouncy. It's not like it doesn't look dull or saggy or anything like that. And I just take my time to really massage my skin, like pamper your skin, be nice to your skin. Or in an upward motion, do not drag your skin down because that promotes wrinkles and all that good stuff. So here I'm going in with this silver foil lip mask, repairing vitamin C for all skin types, and it helps for your lips. So it basically softens your lips. And then I'm going in with my Pearlessence Vitamin C Collagen Eye Cream. Diminishes the look of dark circles and puffiness while moisturizing, brightening, and firming the eye area. This stuff is really light. It's really, really lightweight. I like it a lot. Nice and soft, and it does absorb in my skin. Like, it's amazing. This stuff makes my lips so soft. Then I'm going in with my little shaver that I got at Winn-Dixie, and I'm just shaving my face, any little speckles of hair you got in your skin or anything, and then just wiping the rest over. And then I'm going in with my balm, which is this Vanilla Beam. It's from the Body Shop or something like that. I love this. I got it at TJ Maxx as well. I need to buy some more. This stuff makes my lips so soft. And then I'm spraying with the Body Shop Strawberry Smoothing Face Mist, which hydrates and soothes your skin. I'm just going ready to go to sleep. If you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And like I always say, God bless you.
We talk about this, can't forget.